If you're looking to cancel your Hulu subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure you do so correctly. Whether you're using a computer or mobile device, here's a comprehensive guide to help you cancel your Hulu account. Step 1. Log in to your Hulu account. Open your web browser and go to www.hulu.com. Click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email and password associated with your Hulu account. Step 2. Go to your account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Locate the Cancel Subscription option. Scroll down to the Cancel Your Subscription section under your plan details. You may be prompted to log in again for security purposes. Click on the Cancel button. Step 4. Choose a reason for canceling. Hulu will ask you to select a reason for cancellation. Choose an option from the list or select Other. You may also be given an opportunity to pause your subscription instead of canceling entirely. If you're sure about canceling, proceed to the next step. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After selecting your reason, Hulu will show you a confirmation page with details about your cancellation. Click Continue to Cancel to finalize the process. Hulu will confirm your cancellation, and you will receive a confirmation email. Step 6. Check for final billing. Ensure that you don't have any remaining charges. If you were billed recently, check the billing cycle to ensure you're not charged again. Your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle, but you won't be charged for the next cycle. Step 7. Access Hulu until cancellation takes effect. Even after canceling, you'll still have access to your account until the end of your current subscription period. You won't lose access immediately after cancellation. Optional, cancel via the Hulu app, mobile devices. If you prefer using the Hulu mobile app, follow these steps. Open the Hulu app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on Account. Scroll down and tap Cancel Subscription. Follow the same steps to confirm your cancellation. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Hulu subscription. Make sure to double-check the cancellation confirmation email and keep track of any final billing details. If you change your mind later, Hulu also offers the option to reactivate your account. Conclusion: canceling your Hulu subscription is a straightforward process. Whether you do it on your computer or mobile device, this guide ensures a smooth cancellation experience.